guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So it's Thursday, guys. Let's do this turban tutorial thing. So this turban is inspired by Niger. If you're from Niger, you know what I'm talking about. Is it Niger or Niger? Okay, so that's it. My Malian, Sudan, my Senegalese subscribers, Niger subscribers. So this hair tie is dedicated and inspired by you guys. So as you can see, I'm going to be using the headband. First, I opened the rawsilk so that you guys will see how big it is. It is a 2.5 yard of the pure rawsilk. If you want to get this rawsilk, you can send me a DM via Instagram. And yeah, I'm going to be using a headband inside. First, you want to roll the headband inside, and then you want to make sure, if you're having a ponytail, you want to make sure the ponytail is low. And yeah, I'm going to be doing a 70-30 part turban. That means one hand is longer than the other part. I'm going to be tying that behind her head, at the back of her head, sorry. After tying that, I'll be bringing the longer part. You have to make sure your hair tie sits perfectly so that when you're doing your ruffles, it doesn't slip off and just fall off like that. So I'm going to just secure the handle. You want to make sure everything stays perfectly, so I'll just bring the longer hand up and then move it back to where the shorter hand is. I'm going to tie the shorter hand with the longer hand and then bring the remnants of the longer part of the rawsilk, and then we'll start magic. So this is where the difference of the hair tie comes. I'm just going to be doing the ruffles with the remaining part of the rawsilk using my office pin. So you guys want to pay attention to this. If you're securing your ruffles, you just want to squeeze and then pin, squeeze and then pin. That's just it, guys, as simple as that. So you have to be very careful. You don't want to poke your model, or don't want to poke your client or you yourself. So you have to be careful with the way you secure the pin. And yeah, that's it, guys, for this turban. You guys will see how this is going to turn out. So if you love this turban, don't forget to indicate below that you love this turban. To my Niger, Senegalese, Malian family, I love you guys so much. And even my Nigerian subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys on Monday. I'll be doing the makeup brushes tutorial, knowing your brushes tutorial, and all that. So I love you guys so much. This is Hadidi Makeovers. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.